Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I just want to talk about something that I find very interesting, right? And if you have noticed, AI tools have been introduced left, right and center in front of us, and new platforms are popping up whereby designers, engineers, or just developers, it's now easy for them to come up with sites, to come up with applications and so forth. And if you have noticed, with time, it means that we'll be just creating applications, from a click of a button, right? Just write a few lines of scripts and your website is up and running, right? But I find that we are still forgetting about the client side, because yes, we can be as good as we can when it comes to technical things, but when it comes to clients, we also need to open our mind. We also need to come up with strategies on how we can actually communicate with our clients, how we can win clients in this flooded market. I would like to call it a flooded market now. Why? Because anyone from anywhere, be it you have a background in IT or computer science or what, you can now do these things. You can come up with prototypes. You can come up with just landing pages that are looking as nice as possible. So as engineers now, there's now a gap, and we have to be very careful, because after developing all these exciting applications, all these nice looking websites, at the end of the day, we want to sell these solutions to clients, right? And we need to start thinking outside the box. We need to start looking for strategies on how we can win, how we can be the top 1% of the people that are making it out there as web designers, as developers, as engineers, right? Hence, in this video, I'm going to walk you through one of the strategies that I believe, if you are struggling to get clients, if you want to get more clients, you need to start implementing. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about offering value at first. With offering value, I'm saying the moment or before you even approach a client, you need to know what they are suffering from. You need to know their pain points. What is it that they are struggling with? If it's a website, what are the pain points that are currently on their website that you are going to address, right? Such that when you go to them now, you are not just selling websites, you are selling, or you are offering a solution to an existing problem that they have been sitting with for some time now. And how do you do this? Now, this is where now we make use of the AI tools that are currently available, and the existing tools, and also the people skills. So now, once you identify the website or the client that you need to target, you need to do a website audit, right? Now, what does a website audit do? You are just merely going to the existing client website, seeing where they're lacking. What are the pain points? Is the website clear? Are they clear call to action buttons? Is the layout convincing to clients to such that at the end of the day, they don't walk away from the site, they just become their clients, right? You need to analyze all those things. And you can do this by the help of chatgpt5, right? It's a matter of coming up with a script to say, I need you to analyze this website, and from this website, I need you to identify what's missing from there, the pain points, and also according to these standards, is it meeting all those standards, right? Now you have your script in place, you run it on ChatGPT, and from there you get your results. So now I have the results. I need to come up with a report. Now this report, it doesn't have to be too long. It can only, you can make it as short as and straightforward, right? And your report should contain what you found, which are the pain points, and also why these pain points matter, why we need to correct them as soon as possible. Then also you need to highlight how you're actually going to address these things, right? And as a bonus, you can go an extra mile to create a future landing page for that client, right? Which is now addressing all these things. Now we have this report in place. So and also one thing to note, for making these reports, you can make use of Canva. So a Canva is a platform where you can design your stuff, either your presentations, your flyers, and so forth, right? Just make use of that. There's a free trial version or the free version of it, and also a premium version. You choose depending with where you're coming from money-wise. Create your report there, and remember, this report also has to be appealing, because this is your starting point to sell yourself, right? If it's not appealing, obviously whatever results that you found, they're not going to matter, because the clients are looking for something nice. So you need to impress. Also, your report has to be minimalistic and also straight to the point, and also visually it has to be appealing, right, for your clients to buy into what you have discovered. Now we have the report. Now we need to do cold outreach, or just an outreach, right? So with an outreach, it means I need to approach a certain person selling or offering whatever that I'm selling, right, at that point. For instance, now we are offering our website services, right? And this you can do either through emailing, you can do through social media, just the DMs, or you can do a direct call, right? Whichever way you choose. But you need to come up again with a script where you can send, and also, just also another follow-up script as well. So all these scripts, you don't have to think hard. You can just ask ChatGPT. It will give you the correct and the relevant scripts that are personalized and stuff. So if you try this strategy, if you use this strategy, you will find that the conversation will be different. In the sense that if you are just offering, or if you're just selling websites, right, it's easy for someone to say, no, I already have one, or no, I'm not interested. But if you have a solution to something that they're suffering from, right, it's very hard for that person to walk away. So now you are a step ahead than everyone else. Yes, you are technically good. At the same time, you are also improving on your sales techniques or your sales strategies, right? You're offering value, and this is what every business wants, right? It needs someone who can identify the pain points and at the same time can be able to solve them, right? And guys, remember, at the end of the day, we are designers, we are engineers, we are developers, but clients are looking for people who can solve problems. And this is our motto. We are problem solvers. This strategy, I believe, and I trust this strategy, because no one resists value, no matter what. They might say they don't have money for that particular time, but trust me, they can even refer you to someone else. And with this strategy, you can even take it to all social media platforms. Just target your niche and just have a broader advertising, or a broader marketing script where you target everyone that is in your niche, to say, I have done a website audit for this particular company because it was failing to meet this and this and this. If you're interested, I can also do an audit for your website, and you see what will happen from there, right? So from today onwards, if you are not using this method or this strategy, please try it out and just tell me what you get, or the results that you get at the end of the day. So yeah, this is all that I had with me today. If you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, share, and if you are new here, also subscribe. Our channel, it's all about sharing insights on how we do websites, how we come up with softwares, how we navigate the software engineering industry. So please do subscribe. And if you know someone who might benefit from the channel, also please do share with your circles, and let's all come together, share insights, learn from one another, right? And if you have any video suggestions that you would want me to do, please drop them in the comments. And if you're interested also in making use of this strategy that I've just given you, I have left a link in the description so that you guys can see how I generate it. You can customize it to the way you want. And yeah, that's all that I had with me today. Please go out there, start offering value to your clients, and good luck. See you in the next one.